Morning students, in today's video we will solve exercise 1.3. Question 1, make correct statements by filling in the symbols, subset or does not subset in the following in the blank space. First part, first set 2 3 4 and second set 1 2 3 4 5. Here every element of set A is also an element of set B, therefore it is subset. Now second set ABC and second set BCD. Here A is element of set A, but A does not belongs to the second set. This shows that it is not subset of the set. Now next X is that X is a subset of class 11th of your school, and second set X is that X student of your school. So every student of class 11th is an element of the student of your school. So first set is subset of second set. Now next X is that X is a circle in the plane, and second X is that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. It means not subset of the second set. First set not subset of the second set. Next X is that X is a triangle in the plane, and second set X is that X is a rectangle in the plane. So there is no triangle which is belongs to the set of rectangles. So first set does not subset of the second set. Next X is that X is an equilateral triangle in the plane, and second set X is that X is a triangle in the same plane. So first set of equilateral triangle, and second set of all triangles. So equilateral triangle also belongs to the set of the triangles. It means it is subset of the second set. Now next X is that X is an even natural number, and second set X is that X is an integers. So every even natural number is also element of the an integer. Therefore it is subset of the is an integer. Now student, question number second, do it yourself. And moving on the third question, set A is given and which of the following statement are incorrect and why? So first statement, 3 4 within curly braces is subset of A. So here we can see that 3 4 within curly braces is a member of set A. Therefore the given statement is incorrect. Now second, 3 4 within curly braces is belongs to set A. So this is incorrect. This is correct. Now next 3 4 within double curly braces is subset of A. Here we can see that 3 4 within curly braces is member of A. It means it belongs to the set A, and it implies that 3 4 within double curly bracket is a set. So the given statement is correct. Now next 1 belongs to set A. So in the given set 1 is a member of the set A. So it shows that 1 belongs to set A, means the given statement is correct. Now next 1 is subset of A. So 1 is subset of A is not correct. It means is incorrect because 1 is element of A. Now next 1 2 3 within curly braces is subset of A. So 1 2 5 within curly braces is subset of A. So 1 2 5 within curly braces is subset of set A. Therefore the statement is correct. Now next 1 2 5 within curly braces is belongs to set A. So 1 2 5 within curly braces is subset of A. It shows that the given statement is incorrect. Now next 1 2 3 within curly braces is subset of A. 3 is not a member of set A. It shows that 1 2 3 is not a subset of set A. Therefore this statement is incorrect. Now next 5 belongs to set A. 5 is not a member of set A. Therefore the given statement is incorrect. And next 5 subset of A. So this statement is correct because 5 is a subset of every set. Now moving on the next part, 5 within curly bracket is subset of A. So 5 cannot be represented within the curly braces So this statement is incorrect. Now moving on the next question number 4. Write down all the subset of the following set. So first is A, set A. So number of element in given set, that is 1. So number of element of a number of subset of the given set, 2 to the power n, and where n is the number of elements. So n is equals, here n is equals to 1, so 2 to the power 1 is equals to 2. So subset of the given set are first phi, because phi is the subset of every set, and second A itself. Now second part, set AB. So number of element in given set, that is 1, 2, 2, and number of subset of the given set 2 to the power n. Value of n is 2, so 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4. Therefore subset of the given set are first phi, second A, B, and AB. So there are 4 subset of the given set. Now next third part, set 1, 2, 3. So number of element in given set 3, and number of subset of given set 2 to the power 3, it means 8. Now subset of given set are phi, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 subset of the given set. Now next phi. So number of element in the given set 0, because phi is an empty set. So number of subset of the given set 2 to the power 0, it means 1. So subset of the given set are phi only. Next moving on the next question number 5. How many elements has PA? It means power set of A if A is equals to 5. So number of element in set A is equals to 0, because phi is an empty set. So number of subset of given set 2 to the power 0 means 1. So number of element of power set A is 1. Now next question number 6. Write the following as interval. First part, x is that x is element of R, and minus 4 less than x less than equal to 6. So interval small bracket minus 4 and 6 with big bracket, means it is open bracket and it is close bracket. It means minus 4 are excluded in this interval and 6 included in this interval. Now second, x is that x belongs to set R, and minus 4 less than x less than minus 10. Interval open bracket, within open bracket minus 12 and minus 10. It means minus 12 and minus 10 does not included in this interval, and all the elements between the minus 12 and minus 10 are included in this interval. Now next, x is that x belongs to set R, 0 less than equal to x less than 7. So interval closed interval 0 and 7 with open bracket. It means 0 is included in this interval and 7 is excluded, and all the elements between 0 and 7 are included. Next, x is that x belongs to set R, 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 4. Interval 3, 4 within close bracket. It means 3 is included in this interval and 4 also included in this interval, and all the elements between 3 and 4 are included in this interval, given interval. Now next, question number 7. Write the following interval in set builder form. So first, minus 3 minus 4 within open bracket. So in set builder form, x is that x belongs to set R, and minus 3, it means minus 3 and 0 does not minus 3 and 0 not belongs to this interval. So minus 3 less than x less than 0, it means x minus 3 and 0 are not included in this interval. Next, 6 and 12 within close bracket. So set builder form is x is that x belongs to set R, 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 12. It means 6 and 12 both are included in this interval, and all the elements between 6 and 12 are also included. Now next, 6 with the open bracket and 12 close bracket. It means the set builder form is x is it x belongs to the R and 6 less than x less than equal to 12. It means 6 are not included in this interval and 12 are included in this interval, and all the elements between 6 and 12 are included in the given interval. Now next close bracket minus 23 and 5 with open bracket. So set builder form is x is at x belongs to set R with minus 23 less than equal to x less than 5. It means minus 23 are included in the given interval and 5 are excluded in the given interval, and all the elements between minus 23 and 5 are also included the given interval. Now next question number 8. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? Question number 8 and question number 9 you do yourself. Thank you.